So there's a big difference between the two sizes of the Apex EDC tool organizer. So you can see this is the XL and this is the large. This is meant for a 4-inch multi-tool. So this is meant for a 4-inch multi-tool, and this one is more of the larger types of multi-tools like Leatherman Surge. This one is 4-inch like Rebars, Wave Plus, or the Victorinox Spirits. So those are the big differences. Now the extra large carries more tools. Compartment like this would hold something slightly bigger of a multi-tool like the Roxxon Flex, and flashlights like even flat form types like so, like the Arcfeld Ultra by Olight. And then similarly, like, you can still fit the same tools sets so the same tool set, but similarly, although the large size only fits multi-tool, a smaller type of tool like this key organizer, the flat bar type of flashlight, you have a small pocket here at the back. You have only a single clip on the large, and you can't fit like this flat bit holders. Of course, the pen also fits here on the large or small size, but the Kinipex can't fit here. Instead, I have my AirTag over here, but that's it, nothing else. I can't fit the ratchet bit holder. Of course, the extra large has a double clip, but that's it with the biggest differences between these two, the large and the XL.